Hello everyone, let us discuss the reasons for the growth of administrative law. Next reason for the growth of administrative law is less technical in nature. As far as ordinary law codes are considered, these codes are traditionally and very technically bound by our procedural law, whereas administrative authority, on the other hand, less technical in nature and can take a practical view in solving even the most complex problem. Administrative authority can take more functional approach. Now, less technical. As we say, administrative authority and the procedure or technique of the work of administrative authorities are different from our ordinary codes, because we know that in our ordinary codes the procedures which are followed by are very old procedure, and the language of that time or language of codes are not easily understood by ordinary codes, whereas administrative authorities, the language of administrative authorities are less technical and easily understood by a common man. So this is one of the main reason for the growth of our administrative law. Second reason is overburdening of legislature. We know that the legislature is overburdened with work. Legislature has not expertise, our legislative authorities has not expertise to deal with complex problems of society. On the other hand, administrative authorities possess sufficient expert knowledge to handle social economics problem. Another reason for the growth of administrative law is overburdening of legislature. We know, हमें पता है हमारी लेजिस्लेटिव अथॉरिटीज़ ऑलरेडी बहुत ओवरबर्डन है टू इनेक्ट अ लॉ. मीन्स इफ़ नॉर्मल सोशल इकोनॉमिक्स इश्यूज, कॉमन लाइफ में नॉर्मल सोशल इश्यूज हैं, दैट इश्यूज आर solved by only our administrative authorities, because the nature of that issues are very complex nature. So it is not possible that our legislative authority to deal or sort out all types of issues. For the purpose of this, we need a certain type of a expert knowledge. Suppose an example, if there is any issue related to a cyber crime, in that cases we need a expert knowledge of a person who has a great knowledge of computer and cyber attack. So it is not possible that for each and every problem we saw the face of our legislative authority. So one of the this reason, overburdening of the legislature and less technicals in administrative authority, legislative authority, main reason of our growth of administrative law. Next very important reason is inadequacy of judicial system. As far as judicial system is concerned, it consists ordinary civil codes that actually inadequate to settle all type of disputes. The recent socio-economic problems cannot be solved by the strict interpretation of the legislative enactment. Ordinary civil codes are overburdened and there is backlog of cases. Therefore, they are not able to dispose of urgent matter like strike, lockout, etc. That is the matter related to our labor dispute. So we can say that these are some of the reasons which are the reason for the development and the growth of administrative law. Thank you guys. In next video we discuss about sources of our administrative.